What's going on, everybody? Today is just gonna be a quick video of the window tint setup. I'm making a special video on this, even though I went over it on the first part. So this is just gonna be a quick video showing it more in depth. This is 15 on the front windows, and I got 5 on the back. Just open it up so y'all can kind of see. This is ceramic film. I got 5 on the back. Be sure to follow the Insta. It's also a good view interior of the car too. %5 on the back glass. Visibility is still good. You can see out of it, no problem. At night, it's a little bit different. You got a backup camera for that, though. Got a 5% brow up front. I'm gonna be doing 35 on the whole windshield here pretty soon. Just got it all washed up too. Even the wheels are looking pretty clean still. I will probably do a night driving video too, just so y'all can see. And I'll especially do it when it gets the windshield tint. Visibility is good. Alright, that's just gonna be a quick video. That's gonna be it for this one, I think. Just want to do a quick video on just the window tint by itself. Full review is still gonna be coming soon, so don't worry about that. See y'all in the next one.